We want to support the people. By them supporting a local company like Energy Partners, we're able to then to support them back. We want people to do business with us because we're energy partners, not because we're just a propane company. Having this rail terminal right here in Missoula that can feed the 6 or 7 other propane competitors in the region is also an amazing thing for this area.
Because we know with this rail terminal and being part of CHS, we'll never have to ever worry about a propane shortage.
When CHS had talked about wanting to partner up in building a rail terminal here in Missoula, Energy Partners, we jumped on that to be kind of their anchor to help them have a supply chain for Energy Partners that's extremely reliable. So CHS Inc. is the largest farmer-owned cooperative in the world. They own multiple refineries. They're in all commodities, corn, soybeans, fertilizer. They pretty much do everything you can think of, from farm stores to C-stores. They do refined fuels, propane. It's an amazing company. And so we're very excited for this partnership. But it is kind of amazing when you look back and see how far we've come in the 6 years. Every year we're doing just huge, big things, and this partnership is just another really amazing thing that we were able to get accomplished this year. They see the works that we're doing at Energy Partners, how successful we've been. Having this rail terminal right here in Missoula that can feed the 6 or 7 other propane competitors in the region is also an amazing thing for this area. Been in the business here around 26 years. I used to work for CHS. My first job, I started out in the business washing and painting tanks, filling 20-pound cylinders. I worked my way into service. I was 26 when I first got into the propane business.
This project is going to be the CHS terminal that is going to start supplying wholesale to basically all western Montana.
So as an energy manager, this project provides us cost savings to our customers. The more money we can save on the upfront side, the more money we're allowed to save the customers.
It is a gift because we know with this rail terminal and being part of CHS, we'll never have to ever worry about a propane shortage.
So if we can limit unnecessary trucking and transportation costs to get the product to our customers' homes, it just continues to make us more cost effective throughout the region and more reliable. And then to watch that thing drive by our office was absolutely amazing. I've been doing this for a long time. I've never got to see a 90,000 gallon tank set, let alone drive down the road. So they're welding all the underground lines in. There's quite a bit of piping that goes into these terminals. The crane operators, those guys were amazing today when they dropped those tanks right on those bolts and barely even touched the bolts as those things sat. 140,000 pound tank, 138 feet long. You know, to have CHS want to even invest in this area, all really because of Energy Partners. What we're doing is working and the growth we're having is being noticed.
Well, you see what's going on right here. That's going to be huge for us. I am Daniel Ginter. I mostly just deliver propane to customers for 23 years now. I've seen a time when these tanks right here were waiting for fuel to come in, and you see those big 90,000 gallon tanks. We're going to have the availability to always have propane.
And honestly, working for Energy Partners and the team that we have here is one of the most rewarding things I think I've ever had in my career.
I love the people I work with. I feel valued here. I feel like I'm going to get more exposure to projects like this. Couldn't be happier.
This company has changed my outlook in the last 23 years. It's been a family, and they treat it like a family. It's been special.
I'm a firm believer in being self-reliant. Almost everything we do at Energy Partners is self-reliance. We need to be able to rely on American product in America. This helps us do that. We're not bringing product in from Canada. Right now in this region, we're very pigeonholed into only using Canadian product because it's so close to us. A terminal like this here gives us the ability to buy potentially 100% of our product here domestically. And that's what we're excited about. The coolest thing about this investment is it doesn't just help Energy Partners when we think of businesses here in Missoula and those that help drive the communities that we're in. We provide the fuel for the restaurants, for the industrial businesses, the sawmills and all this stuff. It's just not something that people know or even recognize. What I think local Montanans don't know about Energy Partners is that we're more than just a propane company. We want to be the best stewards in every community that we serve. We want to support the people. By them supporting a local company like Energy Partners, we're able to then to support them back. We want people to do business with us because we're Energy Partners, not because we're just a propane company. The hope is that this opens the doors for other organizations within the communities to reach out to us. We know that we would be nothing without the customers that have given us the opportunity to serve them.